started, yeah, it's us, Franco Vlogs or whatever. Only
Alberto.
and Franco. So in today's vlog, we're actually gonna introduce one new family member in the there. And you know the cool part is that none of my friends know. So basically, FaceTime, and we're gonna record the reactions. Actually, one of my friends is Maddie. I've seen her in the last previous vlog, Barbados vlog. If you guys haven't watched it, link in the bio.
Link in the bio.
Or whatever. Actually, he's taking a little nap. See him, but yeah, he's right there. But I'm gonna go ahead and so I'm gonna go ahead and FaceTime my friend in a few, Maddie, which is her first reaction, and let's see how it goes. All right.
And by the way, his name is Toby.
His name is Toby. I forgot to introduce his name. Yeah, his name is Toby, and he's only 2 months old, so he's just a little baby.
He's a little baby.
Yeah, he's right now sleeping. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and FaceTime Maddie. What's her reaction? She doesn't even know that I have a dog, so that's the good part. Tell her that I have something to show her. I have some news, and let's see her reaction.
So now we're gonna surprise Maddie.
So
I have a surprise for you, okay?
say hi to the vlog, though, by the way.
Hi.
I'm dead. Okay, so Alberto proposed. Sorry. Maybe stop. Maxwell, come over here. It's a mi perro. Yes. It's a puppy. I'm so serious. Hold on, let me put my brightness.
Hi Toby, say hi to the vlog.
Alright, this is Toby meets Bear.
Hey Bear, say hi.
Oh, he's scared. Uh-oh.
Say hi. Toby. Say meet Bear.
Oh my god, it's so cute. But it's
Oh.
So 3 days later, after we got the dog, I love Barbados. We actually ordered some treats and toys for Toby. It's in this box, and we're not sponsoring Chewy.com by any means.
So now let's get started.
All right, here you go, Fox. He's excited too. You excited, right? All right, let's see what you got. Check the checklist. Oh, it's this right here. So he got this cute puppy chew, because as you can see, he likes to bite a lot. So this right here could help the doggy.
Oh my god, he did something.
The teething and soothing toy for him, because he likes to chew a lot since he's a puppy. And we also got this little Kong puppy thing where you could actually put the food inside and the dog could play around, and you could just toss it around, and yeah, it's really cute. Mine does, by the way. We just woke up in bed, sleep attire or whatever. Some little snacks, like I said before. This is where you actually put the snacks in the toy. You can see. Snacks. It's a note. Alright, and we also got this little, well, it looks like a frosting or whatever, but you actually put this inside of the toy. So it's kind of like the same similar thing as of this, but also got it from Chewy.com. So if you guys are interested, the link will be in the bio. That was all, guys. Thank you for watching our video. Like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. And like I said before, if you haven't watched the vlog, you go ahead and click the link in the bio. You go right to the vlog. Don't forget to subscribe. Play.